Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Chrissy here. So today we're going to be trying out a new product. It is the Carol's Daughter Curl Shaping Cream Gel. It's right here. So I had initially planned to get the Coco Crème, but I accidentally ordered the wrong thing, but I figured I want to give it a try. And then I noticed it's a relatively new product in their line for the Coco Crème line. So I was like, okay, I want to give it a try. So I'm going to be doing a twist out with it because based on the consistency of it, I do not think this is going to be able to produce the kind of quality wash and go that I want. Hope you guys can really like see it's because it's not completely thin. It does have some amount of gooiness to it, like a child's glue really, but it's not very thick either. And as you can see the color, it does smell amazing. Honestly, it really smells amazing. So right now my hair, it is freshly washed. It's still damp, and I did use my Miel White Peony leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna start on the back section of my hair and then we can get into it. We're gonna start on this back section here. I don't want to do the sections too small because otherwise, I mean, the curls aren't gonna come out good. Let's really hope it comes out. God, please let this come out good, because you know when you're trying out a new product and it's like fingers crossed, and I don't want to wash my hair, like rewash my hair to have this out again. Like, it's not fun. So I'm gonna use this much, right? You guys think this would be able to do a wash? Oh Lord, it went on like nothing. Do you guys think this could be used for a wash and go? Okay. I don't want to put too much because I don't want to have product overload or flaking, you know? Especially since it's a new product and I'm not sure how it will react or agree with my hair. My hair is detangled, but I'm still like raking it through, you know? No curls are popping, so that's not fun. But I guess we're gonna just have to wait and see how this goes. So I did that whole section right there in the back. Not too big, but not too small either. And then I'm going to do what I like to do when I do twist outs. I'm just going to put a small bantu knot at the end. All right, just like that. So I'm gonna do the other sections. So I'm gonna do the other sections of my hair and then I'm gonna come back on camera. Okay guys, so this product does claim to be a cream gel, so from that I'm expecting it to be both moisturizing and to be able to give me hold. It does produce this kind of mousse-like consistency. Like, I don't know if it's because of how it combined with my leave-in conditioner. Let me just let that focus. Wow, it is not. Okay, so I don't know if it's because of how it combined with my leave-in conditioner, but it did produce like this kind of mousse-like kind of consistency. So that is my hair right now. I'm very excited to see how it will come out, mostly because I've never ever tried a cream gel before, or something that claims to be a cream gel. So we're gonna see how this comes out. I forgot to tell you guys, I do have in total what, 15 or 16. I literally just counted and I forgot. I have like 15 or 16 twists in my hair. It did give my hair this kind of sheen. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, which is actually like really nice. Let me show you guys closer how the twists look. Hope you guys can see that. So let's see if curl dots are coming through with what they claim, right? It says it's a curl shaping cream gel, so we want moisture from the cream and hold from the gel side of this, so fingers crossed. I'll come back on camera and show you guys how I take down the twists and everything. So I'll see you soon. Alright guys, I'm back. So it's 2 days later and I did do my edges before I put my hair away. I don't remember if I applied these on camera or not, but I did put these clips right at the sides just to hold this part of my hair because I didn't want it to have like a bulge. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of my nail oil, just put it on my hands so I can take down the twist, and God knows I'm hoping, praying that this comes out proper. So we'll see. It's not very defined because when I'm separating I get these little frizz knots just a little bit right there between the sides, so it's not like super defined or anything like that. So on the good side, so far I'm not seeing any flakes, so that's very good. That's a pro for sure, because I mean, to be fair, it's doing the job of a cream and a gel, so this is what I'm talking about. See, when I go to separate, it's like these, it's not very defined, which I would have preferred. Also, even though there aren't like flakes in my hair or like visible, when I'm like separating there, I don't know if it will show on camera, but there's like these white furry things just a little bit, and I don't love that. See, like, let me see if I can show on camera. Like when I come and I like do that, I don't know if it will show on camera. Do you guys see that? Maybe not, but I don't love that. I don't love that at all. It's okay. All right. It's okay, but I don't love it, you know. Honestly, alright, so let me give you guys the straight up. My hair feels, it's not like super moisturized or anything like that. It feels soft. Okay, it feels soft. It's not dry, it's not crisp, it's not like, nothing like that. I don't like how it's not very defined. Like, I really tried my best to do the twist really tight so that I could get a really defined twist out, but I guess this is as close as I'm going to get. Like, you can see the curls and everything. It's just that I don't like the little these. I don't like when it's like in between. It's like, no, I don't like that, because then it's not going to last me as long. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to use it because I spent real human money on it, so I'm definitely going to use it. But would I purchase it again? I would say no, I wouldn't, honestly, because although it is a 2-in-1, so no. No. I think it did an okay job based on the expectations I had for it, which were not very high, because it is pretty like thin a product for my hair texture. Let me be very specific. You see this? How long do you think this is gonna last me? Not long, okay? Not long. Like, I'm already considering what I'm gonna have to do with my hair after this. So, and they're the like white things. As I said, it's not flakes, but it's like, I don't know what it is. Don't love it though. So, oh God, I love this. Alright, anyways. Alright guys, so that's it. Let me know in the comments, like, would you use this product? Would you purchase this product? Have you ever tried a cream gel before? I know I haven't. So let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like the video and share and subscribe if you haven't yet, if you're new here, okay? I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.